Hello everyone. Today we will walk you through our comprehensive design, explaining the rationale behind our decisions, demonstrating VLAN and VLSM configurations, discussing the challenge we encountered and suggesting potential improvements. Each of us will present a specific section of the project. Let's get started with an overview of the network design. Let's start by discussing the network design in more detail. Our network spans 5 departments: IT, Finance, HR, Sales, and Admin. These departments have varying needs, so we implemented VLANs to segregate traffic and used VLSM for efficient IP address allocation. Core devices. The heart of our network consists of multiple layer 2 switches that connects the departments. In this design, we choose not to use a router to keep it simple, as interdepartment communication via VLANs is not required. Device allocation. Each department is equipped with 5 devices. We ensured that each device is assigned to the correct VLANs, which aids in traffic segmentation. VLANs. We created 5 distinct VLANs, one for each department. The VLAN configuration ensures that devices within each department can communicate efficiently, while, while traffic is isolated between departments. This segmentation enhances security by preventing unauthorized access between departments. This topology was designed to ensure scalability, efficiency, and improve network performance. By using VLANs and VLSM, we can easily add more devices or departments in the future without significant changes to the network structure.
Now, let's dive into the reasoning behind the design choices we made. VLANs are essential for segmenting traffic and ensuring security. Here's why we chose VLANs for this network. Number 1, security. Different departments have different security needs. For example, IT requires a highly secure environment to manage internal systems and network infrastructure. Second example, finance deals with sensitive financial data, so isolating their traffic from other departments ensure that no unauthorized person can access the information. Also, HR handles confidential employee records, which also require segregation for protection. Number 2, performance. By isolating traffic, VLANs reduce broadcast traffic, which help improve overall network performance. Without VLANs, broadcast traffic would reach every device on the network, increasing the load on devices and slowing down performance. Number 3, simplified management. Managing network policies become much easier with VLANs. Each department can have its own policies, such as access control or security settings, without interfering with others. VLSM, also known as Variable Length Subnet Masking, allows us to allocate IP address efficiently. Here's how VLSM helps. First, efficient IP addressing. Instead of using the same subnet for all departments, which would waste IP addresses, VLSM allows us to assign smaller subnets to departments with fewer devices, ensuring that no IPs are wasted. Second, future-proofing. We allocated enough IP addresses to accommodate future growth in each department without needing to reconfigure the network. For example, each department subnet has enough IP addresses for more devices or additional network device like security cameras or more printers. Third, scalability. As the company grows, we can easily expand the network by assigning new subnets to new departments or expanding existing ones.
Now that we understand the reasoning behind the design, let's demonstrate how we configured the VLANs in Packet Tracer. We created 5 VLANs for the 5 departments. Here's how we set them up. Once the VLANs were created, we assigned specific switch ports to each VLAN. Here's an example for the IT department. This configuration was repeated for all devices in each department, ensuring that the correct ports were assigned to the corresponding VLANs. After the configuration, we tested the VLAN functionality by pinging devices within the same VLAN. All devices in the VLAN, for instance, were able to communicate with each other, confirming that the VLAN was set up correctly. Each department needs only 5 devices, so we use /29 subnets, which provide 6 usable IP addresses. Here's how we subnet the network. For each subnet, we determine the network address, the first and last usable IPs, and the broadcast address. For example, this pattern repeated for all the other departments, ensuring that no IPs were wasted. After assigning IP addresses, we verified connectivity by pinging devices within the same VLAN. We confirmed there was no inter-VLAN traffic, which means VLANs were correctly isolated.
Let's now discuss the benefits and potential improvements of our design. Our first benefit of our design is it optimizes traffic. By using VLANs, we've reduced broadcast traffic and improved overall network performance. Devices in the same department can communicate quickly without being slowed down by unnecessary traffic from other departments. Second benefit is efficient IP allocation. VLSM allowed us to allocate IP addresses precisely, ensuring no wastage and providing enough room for future growth. Third is scalability. As the company expands, we can easily add more devices and departments by simply adding new VLANs and subnets, ensuring the network can grow with the business. The first potential improvements of our design is redundancy. Currently, we have a single switch connecting the departments. Adding a router or layer 3 switches for inter-VLAN communication would improve reliability and allow for more complex routing between VLANs. Second is network monitoring tools. Implementing tools like SNMP or monitoring software would allow us to keep track of network performance, detect issues early, and optimize the network proactively. And last is enhanced security. Although VLANs provide basic security, we could enhance this by implementing VLANs access control lists or VACLs to restrict traffic between VLANs, providing even greater protection for sensitive data.
Thank you for watching our presentation. This project has been an excellent learning experience, and we are proud of the work we've accomplished. If you have any question or feedback, we will be happy to address them. Have a great day.